We just had a baby and I decided to get this portable sound machine. This is the box it comes with. Let me show you everything out of the box. You get this beautiful sound machine. It's nice and compact with a Type-C here to charge it. Out of the box, they give an instruction manual, the charging cable, and also a complimentary mask. They're super soft, great for sleeping. The sound machine is a game changer. You can turn it on here.
Natural sound.
It's a natural sound. You can choose your own sounds. I'll do the C and I'll do maybe some crickets. You can regulate the volume here. Also here, but single sound. You can also set up a timer, 30 minutes for example, and there's also a built-in light. You can change it depending on your needs. You can turn it and change it here. Everything is adjustable. You can choose your favorite sounds. You can kind of be like a little DJ signing your favorite sounds. You can also change the colors to create the best night routine for your baby and for yourself.